Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have the battery-powered Google Home Doorbell and its USB-C cable. This is the only supported charging method. Once confirmed, remove the doorbell from its wall mount carefully, using the release tab or screwdriver as required, and set it on a clean, soft surface. Make sure pins and contacts look clean. If dirty, wipe with a dry microfiber. Connect the USB-C cable to the doorbell port now, so you can move directly to charging without interruptions. You plug the other end of the USB cable into a suitable 5V/1, 5A to 2A USB charger, and then into a live outlet. Avoid low-current computer ports because they may be too slow. Once connected, watch the doorbell's LED indicator or open the Google Home app to confirm charging begins. Keep the unit on a flat, non-conductive surface in a shaded, ventilated spot to prevent heat buildup. If the LED doesn't appear, reseat the cable and try a different verified charger. You leave the doorbell charging until the Google Home app or the LED shows a full battery. This usually takes 2 to 4 hours depending on starting level. Once charged, disconnect the cable, reattach the doorbell to its mount securely, and test by pressing the button and checking the live video feed to confirm normal operation. If charging fails, swap in a known good USB-C cable, use a different 5V/1, 5A2A charger, and inspect the USB port for debris. Those steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.